Guys, have you been trying to grow your social media account, but to no success, you're not getting any traction and you're not growing the followers, the views, and all that? Then this video is for you. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. All right, so this is the landing page of Media Mister, guys. The link to this will be in the description of the video. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be checking out the website, and let me show you the things I feel you guys need to know the most about this one. And then the exciting part, guys, I will actually try this one out. I'll do an order of 500 followers on my Instagram account, and let's see the result, if it's good, and if the following is very natural, okay, not just all at once and all that. So the process on this one, guys, is very easy. You just have to pick what services you need. So let's click on all services for this one first. So you have a lot, and I mean a ton of social media platforms, if not all of them are here already. So you even have like e-commerce platforms that are available here. You have Facebook, of course, you have Dailymotion, Coin Sniper, and all that. But for content creators like us, we want to focus on the ones that you could see right on your screen right there. You have Instagram, you have TikTok, YouTube, you have Facebook, and if you are a musician, Spotify as well, right? So for this, let's go ahead and click on Instagram. All right, so Instagram right here. Okay, so you have buy Instagram followers. And what I like about them is that when you click on select Instagram follower types, is that it will let you select from options. All right, you have standard followers and you also have crypto followers. So I'm going to be choosing standard followers for this video. So I'm going to demonstrate that one for you. Basically, for the crypto followers, it's basically the same thing, right? Except that it's focused on the ones that has interest specifically on cryptocurrency. So for this, you have one-time package, you have automatic package, and you also have the monthly package. So for automatic package, you can select what country, so worldwide, and then select the quantity. Okay, you have a lot of different quantities that you could choose from. And then you just have to put in the Instagram username or the profile URL. Okay, so that's the automatic package. You have the monthly package as well. Okay, so for this, we are going to select one-time package because I wanted to just, do an example for you guys about the example package. And you'll see right away. All right, this is one thing that I like about it is because, you have the option to choose where those followers will come from. And you even have the genders. Wow. All right, so you have worldwide, African countries, Arab countries, Brazil men, Brazil women. So I suppose Brazil here is a mixture of men and women. Okay, you have Egypt, France, Germany, Hong Kong. You even have USA, female and male, USA and Europe. So it's basically a hybrid of those two countries. So that's actually one thing that's unique, right? So I like that. And what we're going to do is we're going to choose worldwide for this. Okay, and then you can select the quantity. For this one, guys, we'll just do a small one, 1 to 3 days for 500 Instagram followers. 1 to 3 days is actually the sweet spot for 500 followers. It's not too fast. It's not too slow as well. So this is going to be the account that I'm going to be using. Okay, so IG Tester OFC is the username for this. So that is what we are going to put in here. So that is IG Tester OFC. All right, so IG Tester OFC is the one that we're gonna be using. Okay, now you could add to carts or you could buy now. Of course, you have all of these as well. 100% money back guarantee. That's a big one. I mean, if that's one thing that I like about them is, if this doesn't work, then you have 100% money back guarantee. You have 5-star customer support, secure transaction, and you even have a guide that you could use, right? So you have already put in the username. So let's go ahead and click on buy now for this. So we even have like savings on that one. All right, so you do not, unlike any others out there, you do not need to create an account, okay? So we are going to put in an email address. Okay, so another thing that I like about this panel is that they have a lot of different payment options that you could choose from. And look at that. Wow. Cryptocurrency discounting. We even got like $1.20 discount for using cryptocurrency. All right, so let us use. Okay, so Tether USDT ERC20 is the one. So if you are paying using cryptocurrency, guys, take note of the network. Okay, and in this case, it is ERC20. And then let's complete the checkout. It's going to give us the wallet address for sure, and then we are going to be transferring that amount to this address. So take note, guys, when you're doing transfers on these payments, that most of them, if not all, are requiring that what they have right here, like the amount that they're going to be giving you, is the one that you're going to be transferring exactly as up to the last digit. All right. So it's done. Now, all we just have to do is wait. All right. So the payment has already been made. So let's just go ahead and wait for it to reflect. And then again, guys, let me show you the Instagram that I have. So I have 2,316 followers currently. We'll get back to that one and see how much it changed, if it has successfully transferred or made that followers that we purchased in Media Mister. So stay tuned. All right, guys, so look at this one. After a few days, I was actually monitoring the progress on the addition of the follower count for the IG account. So actually the other days, like a day after, I checked on it and it actually made some progress, and then second day it actually did some more. So it's actually making it look more organic by slowly putting in all those followers that you have ordered. And what I also did is that I also checked on the quality of those accounts that they are adding, and found out that the follower quality is actually very, very good. So real accounts, real followers, high quality, not like the pages with no friends. So I'm very, very happy with the service that they are actually doing. Now, actually, I didn't find any drop on the order that I placed. So it actually gave me a little more than the order that I did, which is 500. So in my honest opinion, guys, this is something that you could go ahead and check out, and will also help you in boosting the credibility of your account and help you grow your social media platforms altogether. So again, guys, if you're new to the channel, hopefully you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.